Do you have the combination for your safe but can't remember how to use that dial? We're going to help you with that today. My name's Robert, I'm with ACME Locksmith, and this is Locksmith Recommended. Here's the lock I'm going to show you how to use today. Now these are the directions for how to do this that I downloaded and printed off of our website. It's very helpful for you to print these off and use these while you're dialing these instructions. I'm actually going to fill in right here the numbers of the combination for this particular safe. And now I have a guide that I could take to my safe and use and follow to make sure that I'm doing this correctly. A couple of things I want to point out before we get started is first, the mark that you are using to line up the digits of your combination is this uppermost mark. That's the mark that you want to use. Now this particular dial I have here is a Sargent Greenleaf. It's one of the most common dials in the market. It is a 3-digit combination. What I'm showing you works when you have a 3-digit combination. If you have a 4-digit combination, it's a little bit different, but those instructions are included on my website and a link to those instructions are down below. So with the directions printed out from my website, we're going to get started, and the first thing they tell you to do is turn that dial left at least 4 times. And the reason you're doing this at least 4 times is you're resetting the wheels in the back of this dial. Basically, it's the equivalent of clearing your cache the old mechanical way. And then what you want to do is make sure you stop on the very first number of your combination, which in this case is 38. Okay, now this is where it starts to get a little tricky. Now I'm going to spin this dial to the right, and I'm going to stop on my second number the 3rd time I see it. So my number on this safe is 4. So I'm going to go past 4 once. I'm going to go past 4 again. And the 3rd time it comes up, I'm going to stop on the number 4. Okay, done that. Now you're going to take the dial and you're going to spin it back to the left, and you're going to stop on your 3rd number the second time you see it. My 3rd number is 80. So I'm going to go past it once. And then the second time it comes up, I'm going to stop on it. And there it is. But we're not done yet. This is a 3-digit combination. We have one more thing we need to do. We need to spin the dial to the right until it stops. I've stopped, and now my safe is open. Did that look like a lot of work? That's because those old dials are. Consider upgrading to an electronic EMP rated lock. They're very easy to get into. As simple as that. I'll put a link below. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Thanks for watching Locksmith Recommended.